Order. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
That boy Lou.
Yeah. My brother.
Hey, let's get it, fam.
Let's get it. 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 Need to turn over. Much better day today. I gotta say, much better day. Much better day.
Let's go. Kyle's fixing to talk in a minute.
Yeah. That's right.
Oh, look at that drop. Oh, that's so nice.
A little dumpy.
Mm-hmm.
Little dumpy down. Mm-hmm. Oh, I might have turned these on too late. Oh, no, I didn't. I don't think so. Let's go. I'm gonna turn to that one. No accounts get touched right now. These are good. Yeah, no, I'm much better day today. Red day yesterday. Red day yesterday, but today,
hey, let's go. It's part of the
we
gear.
are green.
Amen.
Part of the game. Part of the game.
Yeah, I've been super cautious this week, but the trades that I do taking, they all been winners, so I'm happy about that.
Yep. So we gotta be. Go to all these charts. Everything's all squished up. Okay. That range has not been broken. Here. Yeah. We got the smooth chart. This one. Okay. And then we we got this one. That's the one I just took some trades on. Mm-hmm. Mm. Market doing a little dumpy dump, huh?
Mm-hmm. I feel like today's gonna be one of those good days. I wonder how long that meeting is with dude.
I'm over here on mute. You mean you talking about Powell, right?
Right.
Yeah, he's testifying to Congress or to this House or Senate or whatever it is. So it's not going to be too like, oh, what's going on here?
Dumpy.
Dumpy dump. Okay. Yep. Look at that. Right down to the 38 too. Okay. Yep. Mhm.
That was a crazy rejection from the 38.
Yeah, it was, bro. It definitely was, bro. 38.2, man. Golden ratio. On the nose. So if you went entered, put your stop at the 50%, target at 23.6, chilling. But yeah, 61.8. Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean 38.2, sorry. But yeah, a 38.2% retracement is a nice level as well. So sure.
Yeah, it's cold.
But that yeah, that's how that should be. That's how that should be.
Man, there's a lot of volatility today. Not in the sense that we rip up and down, but just big candles, lots of volume.
Yeah. Yep.
Hey, I seen your video last night.
You said what?
I said I seen your video last night.
Oh yeah.
Hey, that was cool, bro.
Was it a good video? I don't know if it was or not.
Bro, it was a good video for sure. I was saying to myself, man, it'd be so hard to make a video like that. That's clean, bro.
Was it all right? Okay, as long as you thought it was a good video. But
for sure, bro. I watched the whole thing all the way through.
Yeah, bro. The thing is clean. Yesterday I took a massive red day because I had I realized something. I can't have all my algos on at the same time. Like even there are some algos that I know that start at a certain time and start at
Yeah.
And I had everything running at the same time. But it's like if an algo is set to start later, I don't need to have it on at the market open.
That makes sense.
So I had one algo that starts at market open. That's the one I went on today. And then I have another algo that starts like much later. So I just turn that on later on.
Gotcha.
So and I just turned that one on now.
The market open is probably very aggressive, ain't it? Like
very aggressive. Very aggressive.
That boy Martin. Wellness check.
Martin.
Good morning, y'all. What it do?
What it do, man? What it do? What it do? What it still?
That's a crazy bounce.
Yeah. Golden ratio. Fed Pal. We got new home sales and we got Fed Pal speaking. So we gotta be on the money. You gotta be on your job. That boy Martin be rapping, I be singing.
Hey, throw it first out, fam.
Oh no. Yay, yay. Yay, yay, yay.
What's on?
What's up? Yeah, we do want to keep drinks. So.
What'll be there, y'all? Step
forward,
Martin, and he ready for the market. You already know I got the blunt and finna spark it. I done came down and you know we're about to sip on a drink. Coming down, you already know I got stains. I'ma hold it down to the deck now.
Hey.
It's your boy on a mission. Mission for commission, baking cookies out the kitchen. You already know, man, I ain't reminiscing. I'ma have them boys steady tripping, sipping on some purple. Man, hold up, I'm gonna be just like that boy Urkel. So, did you guys get in the trade or not?
I ain't taking no trades just because of Powell, fam. he fixing to speak now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying earlier. I know now he's about to speak, but like earlier,
Yeah,
open market, that was a sweet move, bro.
Yeah,
I took something. Go ahead, Serge. What you saying?
yeah. I didn't take no trades because I figured my man that lapsed like 30 minutes. I don't know. I just decided to stay out.
I got you. Hell yeah. I had a little setup pop up. And I was like, man, target's 22, 535. Click right to the motherfucking T, bro. I was like, yeah. It was like,
You said 535. That was your target.
Yeah.
That was my entry.
That was your entry?
That was my entry long.
Nah, I entered down in 510.
Wait, so you went long.
Yeah, I went long.
And then you took your target there. I took my entry there, and I exited at 542. I just took 12 points, but I was in some heat for a little bit.
Yeah, I see, because you went all the way to 548. Now I can't have I feel you. Yeah.
But it was cool. I had my stop was where it needed to be.
Right. Hell yeah.
Yeah, my kill switch drawdown activated. Like it was, I was down, and then it was up, then I was down, then I was up, then I was down, then I was on that one candle that created the high of day.
Yeah.
I was up like, I think I might have been up like 500 or something, or well, if I'm up now 240, that means I was up 440. Then my kill switch activated, then it boom took me out.
Oh,
no, I'll show y'all in a second too. Once I get.
There's a bad drop. You seen that? Like that. I feel like, did that drop? That was that little change of structure or whatever. And that's why I got in on the short right there, but I only took like a little piece. I didn't hold it down right now. That boy, Young Pay talking about that he's a banker life.
Yeah.
He's a banker.
Yes, sir. That boy a banker.
Young Pay.
That boy a banker.
That boy Young Pay doing the banker life. He said he wants to make a banker his wife. You ready for a freestyle one?
Let's go.
You ready or what?
Yeah, go for it.
Hear the beat?
Been ready.
All right, bet. Hold on. I'm on the block, filter like a stop sign. I don't play rewind. Man, I break spines. It's that boy young, yo, coming through. You already know, man. I'm whoopty-woo. Ain't about the chatter. I ain't about the talking. I done came down and you know I'm straight walking to my fucking mission for commission. Making cookies out the wood, man, fucking kitchen. You can say that I'm a chemist. Yes, I'm a menace. I don't play around. You know I ain't about the tennis. I'm about the checkers. Man, you know I'm gonna stack up. I don't give a fuck. The flow I'm finna get it wrecked up. It's that boy coming down, breaking on the flow. I ain't tripping. I'ma let it go. That's the blow. Get the dough. Kicking the dough. Take breaking stone. I ain't playing. You already. It's that. Hold on. I fell out of them. It's that boy M. He the came down, he ain't hanging with them. It's that boy, loud in a bitch. He that came through, he'll put you on a ditch. It's that one, the one of fucking only. You already know Martin, your damn homie. He that came through, getting bodies lonely. He's like the sun, he gonna rise and shine. But boy spine, make it all mine. The hustle and grind, got to step at one time. It's that boy Martin coming down with that surge. It's that boy coming through, handling the verse. Man, I'm about to grind to the T.O.P. I love this trading shit. And you know traders loves me. I'm a real G. I'm posted in the fucking street, coming down. Swinging on my motherfucking piece, man. I'm swerving, taking the curve. Fuck it, I'm straight. I don't give a fuck. I'm sipping a 40. Hold up, you know me. It's that boy. I'll bring this motherfucker with the chrome toy. You already know. I be making all the noise. I ain't playing nothing. I ain't got no fucking choice. It's that young M coming down again. Oh Lord, we about to collect the ends. I seen that boy Nate. He was playing as a banker. I came with the strap and I told him, man, you want to give me all that chat. All right, I'm done, y'all.
That boy Martin.
That one Martin hitting a young pay flow. Hitting that young pay flow. I'm like a wave, I'm about to get done. You already know, shark on the sea. I'm eating all the Nemos I see. So Powell's talking right now, huh? Where is he at?
Yeah.
I think this whole week has been news, right?
Was that now? Yeah, it's been a lot of news this week. Lots of
Yeah,
news.
all week has been news.
I hardly took any trades this week, and that's rare for me.
Yeah, I took I think probably Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday I traded. I think Monday too. But it was too much news. I didn't really stay on the market at all. I was like in and out.
Yeah.
I've been trying to focus on for the summer for my little kids. I made like a little business for my kids, trash bin washing and shit, so they could get some money, so they could,
Yeah.
stay disciplined, bro. Cause normally when I was doing my mobile tire work, I take them with me, so my little boys they know how to change a tire or whatever. But like work space low this summer. I'm like, man, I'm finna put them in here in the neighborhood to clean trash cans, the trash bins, for $15, and then $5 every extra. It's easy, right? So have them disciplined, keep on focus. If these boys, man, they in that stage, bro. My son's 13 already. My other boy's 11. No, he's 12. About to go on 13 too this year, at the end of the year. Damn, these boys are growing up.
Yeah.
I don't want them to get sidetracked and shit, start doing stupid shit.
Yeah.
No, man. I think that's a good summer business.
Yeah, they're in a good path for sure.
Gotta keep them focused, bro. Cause man, it's crazy out here, bro. It's crazy out here. I bit myself in my sleep, y'all.
You did what now?
I bit myself in my sleep.
Oh shit! Damn.
I got a badass cut on my damn tongue, bro. That shit hurt. I woke up, fucking blood on my damn pillow. I was like, what is this? Yeah. I'm like, what the fuck is this? I went in the restroom and then I felt my tongue sore. I was like, damn, my shit's hurting. I look in the mirror, bro. I got a punk ass line on the side of my tongue. I'm like, what? Hey, so did they dismiss your case?
Yeah,
Like,
we had a no driving unsuspended and tampering with with the breathalyzer, whatever. Do the school.
Fucking criminal.
He said, "Oh, I'm gonna dismiss this." I was like, "Oh, bro, I was spooked." Oh man, I ain't gonna lie, I was shook.
That boy Serge was on some criminal path.
Hey, I sent y'all the little snippet from the race.
Oh yeah, I seen it. And take it.
Yo,
He
man.
busted that.
Hey, sadly couldn't beat the race, so man.
Connection lost.
Hey, bro, he had it coming, bro. Like, you gotta understand too. He was young. He was young, misguided, and at the end of the day, he was influenced by his friends. The one, because I seen some of that case, bro. That said, he said, um, that one of the witnesses said that when he shot the one of his victims,
Yeah.
that his friend told him, "You finally got your body. You got your body now. You got a body now." Like celebrating him. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, and you don't do that. And you know, at the end of the day, everyone he was with was older than him. I think like the girl was like his age, but like every other dude that was with him at that time was older than him. So it's like he was being misguided by you know.
Older.
I mean, he at the end of the day he got to be responsible for his actions, but he was being misguided. You know, you could easily. Cause I remember when I was younger, bro. I used to have I had a caravan, right? A caravan, Dodge Caravan. And I used to, well, that's when I used to hustle, right? I used to hustle. Wait, we're not on YouTube Live, right? Are we?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Oh.
I will.
Yeah, we on YouTube.
Ah, damn it. Well, I used to do some shit, right? And then I had little partners with me, right? And
He said I used to do some shit.
Yeah, I had little partners with me, and some of them were my age, but a lot of them were younger, you know, and they were easily influenced by me because of what I did and what I had going on, right? So I remember one of the little dudes that was with me. He used to smoke with me. We used to smoke, and I started seeing how he was chilling with like other other crews, and I started noticing because I used to give him like good advice. I wasn't like a bad influence either, you know. The only thing I could say is that we smoke. I get him high, but the thing is like, um, he was hanging with little crews, and I started seeing how he was like influenced by the crews and by other people that were around there, like older than him. And then years later, bro, years later, we're talking about like years later, he got older and he got down with the crew, right? And at that time, um, I had I was in another crew, in other words, right? And I had pulled up with my family to a McDonald's. We get some food or whatever, and they all surrounded my car, including him. You know, yeah, you know, and I was like, bro, like, and I got out there because at that time you could call me stupid, but at that time, like when I was in those circles, I was all about it, you know, like I was all about that, you know. So I was like, man, I got out there and I was like, man, what's up, you know? They're like, what you back? And I was like, blah 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 blah, and then they're like, oh yeah, this, and they started telling me some bullshit.
Order submitted.
Just some bullshit. It's like a lot of talking, you know. And I was like, hell no. So I saw a little friend, you know, and I was like, bro, like, what's up? Like, you forgot about me or what? You used to ride with me in my truck, in my van, you know. I'm like, you tripping? I'm like, what's going down? He's like, man, he's whatever. He told me like that. He's whatever, you know. Like I'm about it too, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, all right. I'm like, it's cool. I ain't gonna touch you. You a kid, you know. But at the end of the day, I saw how he got easily influenced. So I feel take his situation. He was a young guy getting influenced by other people, and now he's paying for his mistakes and for what you know, he was. If he would have been smart, he would have been popping, bro. Because that one rave song, like that made him popular. You know, and
he used to rap.
Huh?
He used to rap.
No. I'm talking about TK.
Oh.
Yeah, you know, if TK would have been smarter, he would have got his, because he already had music out. What made him pop was that TK, that race song. I did the race.
Yeah.
But if he would have been smarter, he would have focused on music. Wouldn't have done none of that shit. Because
Well, he
most of these
started
people,
making. Yeah.
most of the rappers out there are not doing half of the shit they saying. You know, it's entertainment. So if not, they wouldn't be getting the, money like they're getting it or whatever. But yeah, man, I feel his situation. I feel bad for him. Like when he got sentenced to like 50 years, and then on top of that, he still had another case pending, and I think he's about to get like 80 years for the other case,
Yeah,
and
he
it's
got.
consecutive. You know what I'm saying? It's not. He got to run the whole time. He's not. That little boy ain't gonna come out at all. He might die in jail. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it sucks for him, bro. Like it really does. One of my friends, I used to call him Peanut because
Order
he had a
filled.
little peanut head. But he grew up, bro. He grew up. He got down with a different set, and now they call him Pup, right? I think I'm talking about years now. Now he's a grown man, but um, he just got out of jail, like a couple of days ago, like 4 days ago, whatever. And I'm like, bro, like you gotta stay out of trouble, because I consider him family. He used to come to my house, he know my mom, he knows my people, and my mom used to pretty much call him son and whatever. So it was like my little brother or whatever. But I'm like, you gotta stay out of jail, bro. You gotta stay out of trouble. He's like, yeah, yeah. He's like, I'm trying to. I'm like, no, bro. Like, you got that shit in your head. Like, you're too about that shit. Because every time he goes to jail, it's about something behind the shit that he's doing. And then the
Yeah.
last time was he beat the case, but he went for like assault with a deadly weapon or something. I don't know.
Oh shit.
Like, bro, these guys are tripping, bro. They posting YouTube videos, bro. Like, they had him on a video where he was pistol whipping like op, and he was on YouTube. And I'm like, bro, this shit is stupid, bro. Like, don't do that. First of all, because if it's your friends putting it out there,
Bro,
they
yeah,
put it.
these youngins be like putting that
Yeah,
shit out, man. It's
they
crazy.
indict. Yeah, they indicting you, dog. That's proof. You know, and well, he went for that. He went for that. He beat the case. Somehow the video got erased, and they could have used it as evidence or whatever. But he did a lot of time for it. So
Yeah.
pretty much he's like he got charged without getting charged.
Yeah.
Like he did the time without you know. I was
Kind of
like,
like
man,
Melly.
yeah, and I was like, damn, bro, like fuck, stay out of the trouble, nigga. Like it's bullshit, bro. Like you guys are going back in for crash dummy shit. That's that crash dummy shit. Like you're doing stupid stuff, and like we grown folk now, bro. You gotta focus on being out here. You got goals, achieve your goals, man. I'm like, you gotta live a life with goals, cause they're going. If you don't have goals, you're gonna be you focus on the wrong things, and you're gonna put a lot of time, energy on the wrong bullshit. You're gonna go back to the click, and you're a grown man, bro. How you look being damn near 30 years old and still banging and shit, that's retarded. That's some California
Order
shit.
filled.
Yeah.
I'm like, come on, bro, you gotta have some fucking, he's like, yeah, 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 this and that. And I think he's doing better. I think he's gonna do better now, but man, when you're used to going in and out, bro, it becomes a fucking habit. I've seen that shit a lot with other people, like a habit, bro.
Yeah,
Like they're
bro.
just used to going in and out, and they end up just kind of loving jail, bro. I don't know.
Bruh. I'll once we're on the game, if we go on the game, I'll talk about some shit a little later as well. But
Oh yeah, yeah, hell yeah,
yeah, for sure.
so.
Very
I mean,
sad shit.
I'm pretty much gonna hop out the charts because I ain't gonna trade no more. I already traded. So if y'all want to play, I'm cool.
I'm down to play.
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Let's get it.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah. It's ready.
Yeah, I'll see you in the lobby.
Okay. Bet.
All right.
Order submitted.